Hi, I'm Holly Pascarella with the Pascarella Group. Now that you have made the decision to sell your property, selecting the right realtor to market your home is probably the single most important choice you will make. Ultimately, the agent you select will determine if your home sells and when it does sell, at what price. As a marketing specialist, I pride myself on showcasing all of the elements of every property I represent. What will surprise most consumers is that whether we are in a good market, a bad market, or an average market, 90% of all real estate sold in North America is still being sold by the top 10% of the realtors. Born and raised in Manatee, Sarasota counties, I have an inside perspective of the communities, lifestyle, and options, as well as the best values. My reputation for strong commitment to discretion and customer satisfaction is firmly established in the Lakewood Ranch area, where I recently won the award for top producing individual agent in the Keller Williams Lakewood Ranch office, as well as a top producing agent in the North Florida region. Having earned a degree in business from Florida Southern College, I bring a strong financial and marketing background that is ideally suited for helping sellers when pricing their homes. My outstanding negotiation skills and understanding of the local market enable me to orchestrate transactions and quickly achieve my clients' goals. I am also a licensed mortgage broker, which gives me an intimate knowledge of financing, which is a great advantage when monitoring the mortgage process on the sale of my clients' homes. Over the next few minutes, I would like to show you how working with an experienced realtor, like myself, will help make the sale of your home a smooth and stress-free experience. When we meet, I will be able to supply you with facts, statistics, and proven marketing techniques that will help guide you through the selling process. By working together, we will eliminate any concerns or apprehensions you may have. Buyers are much more sophisticated and knowledgeable than ever before. That's why marketing has become the driving force behind selling any property. The days of putting a sign out front, an ad in the paper, and waiting for a buyer are long gone, replaced by technology that offers us many new marketing avenues. For example, there's Facebook, Google, Twitter, Zillow, Realtor.com, and many more websites and search engines available. When asked specific financing or technical questions about your property, you need a real estate professional that has the knowledge and experience to handle the situation fast. Because buying a home is an emotional decision for most buyers. Delays in obtaining the right information can cost you a sale. There are many complex issues that need to be addressed properly. Another important area is preparing your property to enter the market. I can help you stage your home so it will yield the best presentation and give you the competitive edge needed in your marketplace. Also, selecting the best price to enter the market is crucial. That is why I go to great lengths to gather information and statistics about the other homes in the market that you will be competing against. Together, we can determine the best price to ask so you can compete successfully with other homes for sale. After we determine the best price to ask, we can review my personal marketing plan that is designed to attract serious and qualified buyers. I will use various forms of advertising to publicize the sale of your home. Often overlooked, but critical to getting your home sold, is marketing to other real estate professionals in the area, as 94% of homes are sold by other agents. This is a direct avenue to reach all of their pre-qualified and motivated buyers, as well as those from my own office. This is why I feel it is so important to have strong working relationships with other agents in the area, and why I pride myself on having an excellent reputation as a knowledgeable and responsive agent. I take the most aggressive approach to marketing and selling my clients' properties. My reputation on selling homes fast and for top dollar is no accident. I pride myself on staying on the cutting edge of technology and staying abreast of an ever-changing market. I know what it takes to convince buyers that your home is in fact the best value in the marketplace. It is important that you feel comfortable and confident with my knowledge prior to hiring me. I welcome the opportunity to meet with you personally to answer any questions you may have concerning our 21-step marketing plan for your home. Again, my name is Holly Pascarella with the Pascarella Group, and I look forward to meeting with you soon.